Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to easily add your signature in Gmail. Okay, so let's get started. So let's try to open the Gmail. Okay, so whenever you want to send the mail to somebody or whenever you want to send a message to somebody through the mail. So for that, what you will do is like you will just click on this compose option. So once you click on the compose option, so here you will mention the recipient's email address and here you will mention the subject of the email and here you will type the content, whatever the content or the messages you want to send it to somebody. Okay, so finally at the end of the mail you will mention like warm regards or best regards or thanks and regards, whatever you like. Okay, so every time typing the best regards or warm regards is really a time consuming. Okay, so in this particular video I am going to show you one of the simple method or simple way. With just one click you can add your signature at the end of your mail. Okay, so for that what you can do is like on the bottom side of your compose option, so here you can see one option called insert signature with one pencil icon. Okay, so here you can see like one kind of pencil icon with insert signature. Okay, so just click on that particular option. So here you can see manage signatures, no signature, or the name of the signature. Okay, so here it's mentioned it as Pawan because my name is Pawan. So I have customized my signature with respect to my name. Okay, suppose if I click on this particular option Pawan, so here you can see like easily it has added the best regards Pawan Kumar. Okay, suppose if you want to customize this particular signature, means for that what you can do is like you can just click on this insert signature and here you can see select manage signatures. So click on that manage signatures option and just scroll down. So here you can see like how you can customize your signature. Okay, so here I have mentioned it as best regards and with respect to my name, and you can just change it. You can just change whatever the signature you want and you can just change it, and finally just scroll down and here you can click on save changes option. Okay, so that is how you can customize your signature and you can easily add your signature by clicking on this pencil icon, that is insert signature option. Okay, so once you add your signature you will send the mail. Okay, so this is how you can easily add your signature in the Gmail. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.